welcome. Today I am going to show you some cool camera hacks which will turn your normal smartphone camera into a pro. So let us begin. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. It will notify you immediately whenever we upload our next video of such interesting topics. Hi, this is Kaushal Sheth from Skillwise Solutions, and let us start with the first hack. If you love macro shots, then this hack is for you. All you need is a water, some earbuds and an object to take a shot. In this case I have taken a coin. Dip that earbud into a water. From that, just gently place a single drop on a back camera. Make sure you don't spill the water while doing this. Then pick up the phone and turn it around. That one drop will not slide out, so no worries. Focus on the object which you want to take a shot and click a picture. It might take some time to master the skill, but once you do, you will get a best result. This hack will help you to apply some cool filters over the photo. For that, you need to spray some water over a pair of glasses. Point that glass towards the object which you need to shoot and place your camera behind it. Focus and then shoot. You will find very interesting filters each time when you take a shoot. Want to apply some vintage look on your photos? No worries, your sunglasses will come handy. While taking a shot, point your sunglasses towards the object and place your camera behind it, and you will find some interesting exposures with the different sunglasses. Your regular smartphones might not be able to match up to the pictures which are taken from high-end lenses from high-end cameras, but we can somewhat try to match that. While taking pictures from a long distance, you should use binoculars. Place the binoculars in front of a phone camera and zoom towards the picture you need to click. You will find some interesting results. We are always afraid of taking the underwater pictures, fearing that it might harm our phone. But not to worry, this hack will work super fine. While taking such pictures, use airtight plastic bags and aim and shoot. You will find some interesting results in it. You also want to create such wonderful illusions? No worries. Panoramic mode in your phone will help to create such features. While taking the picture, click in the panoramic mode. Then start taking a picture while a subject on one side. Then start moving your camera in the opposite direction. After moving a little bit, stop and change the side of a subject. Again, start taking the picture on the same side. At the end, you will find this wonderful result. If you don't have tripod to take steady shots, then you can also use paper cup as an holder or even a paper clip as an holder. This will give you the appropriate results. Need a flawless composition of your image? Then use the grid features on your camera settings. From the camera settings, turn on the grid line features. Now you can compose your image easily. You can also easily create some bokeh effects. Cut some shapes from a cardboard and place it against the lenses. Initially, try it with some basic shapes and then you can take to the next level. Click the picture and enjoy. I hope this camera hacks will strengthen your social media games in no time. Try some of this camera effect and share it with us. We'll also share it with our users. Keep following us on other social media platforms too to get updated regularly. This is Kaushal Sheth from Skillwise Solution. See you until next time.